Okay, guys, let's look at question 2. It says a graduated cylinder actually contains 7.5 milliliters of water. When Han measures the volume of water inside the graduated cylinder, he measures 7 milliliters. Which of these is the closest to the percent error for Han's measurement? Okay, so we're looking for the percent error. Okay, now it says the actual container contains 7.5 milliliters, but his measurement was 7. Okay, so in lesson 14 and 13, we discussed measurement error and percent error. Okay, so what we need to do is find the difference between the numbers, which 7.5 minus 7, which give me a half. So this is the actual error. Okay, so what I'm going to do is I'm going to put that over the actual amount, which would be 7.5, because that's what it's supposed to be, and the actual error is a half, or 5/10. So X is going to represent my percent error. And then X will be over 100. And now I want to cross multiply. When I cross multiply, I get a one-step equation. All right. And just like we discussed in lesson 14, you want to isolate that variable. So when I divide 50 divided by 7.5, so 7.5 divided by 50, it allows me to cancel out those coefficients, and it's going to be X is equal to, in your calculator at home, you should get this. A whole bunch of 6 and a dot. Okay? But we're going to round to the nearest tenth, and when we round to the nearest tenth, my answer will be D. Okay? My answer will be D. All right, guys, if you had any questions with this question, make sure you visit your manager's Google Meet session, and I'll see you at question 3.